The BKX 300 is Benelli's new adventure bike dedicated to the younger generation of riders, a bike designed for those who want to move freely and take on new routes. An all-round two-wheeler, easy and light, built to offer optimum handling in all conditions, guaranteed fun both on asphalt and off-road. The BKX 300 was developed in the heart of the Benelli Style Center in Pesaro, which gave it simple, clean yet extremely refined lines, and a look that catches the eye at first glance. This is also thanks to an extremely original headlamp assembly, which at the front features a modern and eye-catching headlamp design, in particular the DRL design, shared with the road version, while at the rear has a combo solution integrating the parking, stop and turn indicator lights. The beating heart of the BKX 300 is a brand new 292.4cc, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke single-cylinder engine with a 42mm throttle body. The engine, in Euro 5 Plus configuration, delivers a maximum power output of 29.2 horsepower at 9,000 rpm and 24.5 Nm at 7,000 rpm. The chain-driven timing features double overhead camshaft with 4 valves and a 6-speed gearbox. The exhaust system is new, with a long manifold for a more full-bodied torque curve. Also new is the back torque limiting slipper clutch, which reduces the clutch lever actuation force at the handlebar, as well as making gear shifting smoother. Like its road-going sibling, the BKX 300 features a chassis designed to maximize the bike's handling, with a steel double cradle frame capable of ensuring smooth operation on any route. Suspension at the front consists of an upside-down fork with 41mm diameter legs and 180mm travel, while at the rear there is a swing arm and a monoshock with progressive linkage adjustable in the spring preload and 180mm travel at the wheel. The braking system has a single 280mm diameter floating disc with 4-piston caliper on the front and a 240mm diameter disc with single-piston floating caliper on the back. The spoke wheels with aluminium alloy hub and rim are 19 inches at the front and 17 inches at the rear,